Imagine if life came with a cheat code, a set of principles that could help you win in business, relationships, and personal growth. Well, guess what? It does. And Ray Dalio, billionaire investor and mastermind behind one of the world's biggest hedge funds, has cracked the code in Principles, Life and Work. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful lessons from the book. Lessons that will completely change the way you think, act, and succeed. Ready to level up? Let's go. Lesson 1. Embrace reality and deal with it. Quote, "Truth, more precisely, an accurate understanding of reality, is the essential foundation for producing good outcomes." Most people live in a bubble, ignoring uncomfortable truths and hoping problems disappear on their own. But Dalio says that's a recipe for disaster. The most successful people? They face reality head-on, even when it hurts. Imagine a trader clinging to a bad strategy or a CEO ignoring market shifts. That denial leads to failure. But those who embrace reality see the warning signs early, adapt fast, and turn challenges into opportunities. The key: treat the truth like a GPS. No matter how inconvenient, it always leads you to the right destination. Lesson 2. Pain plots reflection whilst progress. Quote, "Pain is a message that something is wrong. The key is to understand what it is and how to deal with it. Nobody enjoys failure, it stings. But here's the secret: every setback contains a lesson, and those who analyze their pain grow stronger because of it." Think of elite athletes watching game footage to improve, or entrepreneurs pivoting after a business flop. The ones who dissect their mistakes don't just bounce back, they come back smarter, sharper, and unstoppable. So the next time you fail, don't just move on. Pause, reflect, extract the lesson. That's how you turn pain into power. Lesson 3. Radical transparency builds strong relationships. Quote, "Radical transparency forces issues to the surface, getting in sync about what is true and what to do about it." Most people sugarcoat the truth to avoid conflict, but Dalio flips the script. He built his empire on radical transparency, where brutal honesty fuels growth and trust. At Bridgewater, employees don't just accept feedback, they demand it. No office politics, no hidden agendas, just real conversations that drive real progress. Imagine applying this to your own life, having relationships where honesty strengthens bonds instead of breaking them. Transparency isn't just about speaking the truth, it's about creating a culture where truth thrives. Lesson 4. The 5-step process for success. Quote, "Having clear goals, identifying problems, diagnosing those problems, designing a plan, and executing that plan. This is the key to getting what you want in life. Success isn't luck, it's a formula." Dalio lays out a 5-step blueprint to achieve anything. Set crystal clear goals. Spot the roadblocks holding you back. Diagnose the root cause of those obstacles. Craft a bulletproof plan to overcome them. Execute with relentless precision. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a proven system. Break your big dreams into actionable steps and watch how fast you turn vision into reality. Lesson 5. Thoughtful disagreement leads to better decisions. Quote, "The best decisions are made by people who can argue without letting their egos get in the way. People see disagreements as a threat. Dalio sees them as a goldmine. Why? Because thoughtful debate exposes blind spots, challenges assumptions, and sharpens ideas. Imagine a team making a high-stakes decision. If everyone blindly agrees, they risk making a huge mistake. But if they challenge each other's thinking, with facts, logic, and respect, they refine their choices and make smarter moves. The key? Debate ideas, not egos, because the best decisions are forged in the fire of discussion. Lesson 6. Systematize decision-making. Quote, "Convert your principles into algorithms so that they can be applied systematically." What if you could remove emotions from decision-making and think like a billionaire investor? Dalio did just that by turning his principles into algorithms, creating a system for making consistent, high-quality choices. Think about it. When emotions drive decisions, mistakes happen. But when you document your best thinking and follow it like a playbook, you eliminate guesswork and optimize results. The lesson: don't just wing it. Build a system, refine it, and let it guide you to success. Lesson 7. Evolve or die. Quote, "If you don't look back at yourself and think, 'Wow, I was pretty dumb a year ago,' then you must not have learned much. The world is changing fast, and those who refuse to adapt, they get left behind. The most successful people are relentless learners. They challenge their own beliefs, update their strategies, and evolve continuously. Think of the greatest investors, entrepreneurs, or athletes. They never settle. They reinvent themselves over and over. The takeaway: stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop upgrading yourself. Success isn't about luck, it's about principles. Embrace reality. Learn from pain. Be radically transparent. Debate without ego. Systematize decisions. And, most importantly, evolve. Which of these principles hit home for you? Drop a comment below. And if this video sparked something in you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing insights. See you in the next one.